All right, hey guys, sorry about that. A little late this morning, but we're here. We're back for our pre-market analysis, and like I said, it's gonna be here for the whole January. So this is actually the last Friday of January. So I'll be doing this until today. After today, I will still be doing some videos for you. It's going to be a midweek market breakdown, so it happens about Wednesday morning, 7:30 GMT. So it's going to be around this time, but just only Wednesdays. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me just share screen, and there you go. All right, let's start with euro dollar as always. Still about the same, so not getting any higher highs above this structure right here. So let's go down to our 240. 240, as you can see, we still have that Gartley pattern. We are still waiting on targets on that pattern. So actually, yeah, we're still waiting for target 2s for that pattern. So that's the reason why I still have that there. 60-minute. See if we have any opportunities. Not quite. Let's go to dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is back down to that structure level on the daily that we were talking about. Now, let me show you the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we talked about this structure level right here, or when the market had done a double bottom right here, we said we're going to wait for another retest of that structure level and make sure that it doesn't close below these lows. On this candle actually did that, and then we placed stops obviously below these lows. Now, because of this movement actually showed us that we're wrong on predicting that market would reverse at this level of structure. We did talk about that this is the daily structure level right here, and that until price violates this structure level, we still could be correct on the bigger term or longer term opportunity that we are talking about. So now that price is coming back down to this structural level, which is a daily, what we want to do is try and find an opportunity at that level. So what you usually do is you kind of just bracket that zone, and within that zone you want to find certain things that could give you a signal or give you a higher probability trading opportunity. And to do that, you can use some harmonic moves to see. Let's see if we can find any harmonic moves. So we have a harmonic move down to that level of structure, about the 38, a little bit, about 38.80s. See if we can find a Fibonacci level right there. We do have that 1618 level terminating at that harmonic pattern right there. We don't have too much of a structure looking left. So when price gets down there, we still have to find, or I still want to find some more reason to enter at this level, maybe a retest of structure, double bottom, or a divergence in the RSI. So let's go down to the 60. See. Nothing there. Let's go to dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. We did pass the structure level already. A few days ago, we did talk about that. This structure level, that if this gets violated, the price will probably find some resistance on the next structure level, which is right here. And it looks like it is trying to find or finding that resistance level right there. Now, what I'll be waiting for this is a retracement back down and an opportunity to hop on the trend back to the upside. We did close above this highs right here. We closed above these highs right here. So the next level of resistance that I'll be looking at, if I find a reason to hop on the trend going to the upside, is this level of resistance right here around the 2250 level. So let's go down to the 240, see if there's anything there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Looks like something came out recently, probably some sort of news. And you'll usually find these kinds of candles during those times. So we'll see. Let's go down to pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, still bearish, not much change really. Let's go to the 240. We did get a looks like it's stair stepping up. Actually, we're getting highs, higher highs right here. The closes did get a higher. It's usually within the highs of the previous structures that we have, but looks like it is stair stepping up. Let's see if find anything there. Nothing yet. So let's go to 60. Nothing there. Let's go down to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we have price at that structure level right here. Now, a couple things can happen. It can come back down to retest this structure level right here, or it could just continue back. It could just continue up to this structure level right here and find resistance over here. Let's go down to the 4 hour. See if we have, looks like, let's see. Looks like we have a possible cipher pattern here. around there. It looks like we have a possible cipher pattern in there. Of course, our stops would always be below our X right here. First targets are is at 382 and the 618. Two second targets. First targets is about 68 pips to first targets. There is that 69 even right there that we want to be we want to take a note of when we're placing stops. We want to make sure that maybe put a little bit below that for safer stops. Let's go down to the 60. Let's take this out. Usually get confused when that's all over. So let's see if we have anything in here. Nothing really. So let's go to New Zealand. New Zealand price is still playing around that level right here. Let me, this level right here. So let's come down to the 240 and see if we have, we still have that bull Gartley. It's still valid. We haven't closed above, or we haven't violated this level right here. So this Gartley is still valid. Let me see though. Now it is a little lower now though, because I would use this new low as the new as the newer B leg. So it's going to be a little bit lower. That means it's going to terminate a little lower also, which would also mean that risk to reward is going to be a little bit better than the original one. So let's go down to this 60. See. Like, all right, the 60, we could potentially also have a bull cipher right here. It's going to be a little bit smaller. Oops. Oh. Change color in there. See. So a little smaller pattern right there, cipher pattern, stops below this X level right here, and target still the same, about the 382 and the 618, and it's about 39 pips to first targets here, because the completion of the bigger Gartley pattern is actually a lot lower. You could take both patterns. One can complete and can definitely hit your first and second targets and still be valid, or it could stop you out, and the bigger Gartley would still be a valid pattern that you can take advantage of afterwards. And so let's go to Euro Yen. All right. All right, Euro Yen. We talked about this a few I think a few days ago. We talked about that level of structure that we wanted to wait for a retest of that structure, enter there, buy and continue to ride that up back to this level, because we talked about how harmonic patterns can usually tend to retrace about the same distance of retracement. And that's how we got to that level of structure. And we said that stops, we just really took half of this move right here, and stops will be right here below the 125 even. And it looks like it did hit that target right there. So let's go ahead and delete that. The next thing the price can do is it can retrace back down to previous level of structure, or just continue back up to this level right here of resistance and find resistance there. So let's go to euro yen right there. The 4 hours not showing much. Let's see, 60-minute. Nothing much. And last but not the least is the pound yen. All right. Okay. So pound yen, price is retracing. It looks like it's gonna be retracing. Probably find some sort of resistance right here on this level of structure. Looking left. Let's go down to our 240. Let's see if this qualifies. No. So nothing there. And let's see if we have anything. And the 60. And 60-minute, nothing there also. So I think that's it. So again, everyone, so since I'm done with this pre-market analysis for Tuesdays through Fridays, the next time I'll be seeing you is Wednesday for our midweek market breakdown. It's going to be around this time also. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you can get notified of any videos that I'm posting out. Also, if you could check out my website, also there's a link on my YouTube channel on the, I'll probably put it on the description of this video. And you can click that, subscribe to my email list. And what that does is that I'll give you emails also of any free trainings or market analysis, or my midweek market breakdown, any of those. I'll give you any I'll send you the emails for those if I have anything new, or anything that I think would be something of value that you can take a look at. Until next Wednesday, good luck, traders.